What?
Okay, so we should be leaving any second now. But
Wait.
I don't know.
People on the train say, "Are we going to see the
Okay.
falls?"
Well,
I said,
we're starting.
well,
right
no,
now.
but we
We're
go
going
to
leave.
Ellsworth Falls. If you want to see the falls, it's kind of a bumpy ride, so they
Here
call
we
it the falls.
go.
It's not like Niagara. Ain't that fancy?
1,000 horsepower engine, which will be built for the main central Here at Main Street, our travels today will first head westward to the Ellsworth Falls area. Then, after the engine moves to the opposite end of the train, we'll go eastward, passing back through the area where you boarded and on to Washington Junction, and finally returning. Our travel time today will be approximate.
Princess Leia. Yeah. A blueberry freezer incorporated. Well, apparently they freeze blueberries.
Yeah, exactly.
Belong to Allen's Blueberry Freezer. It's one of the many blueberry processing plants in the county. The berry harvest is in August. During a 2-month period, 16 million pounds of berries will be processed in this area. Along the side of the train, you'll see from time to time a white sign with a W on it. The W is not a directional sign, but rather a whistle sign. Remind the train's engineer to sound the whistle.
Make sure nobody hangs out there. Don't stick your hands out there, your head's out there, your feet out there. The reason why I say that,
Trains are really loud. Super loud.
There's no warning.